So you bought yourself a new microphone and you want to get the clearest, most beautiful sound you can out of it because it just doesn't sound good out the box. Well, luckily, OBS has got some filters which we are going to tweak today, which are going to improve massively the way that your microphone sounds. Okay guys, so I'm going to make this quick. We are in OBS Studio. We've got the audio mixer in front of us, which is this window that looks like this. We're going to go down to our microphone and we're going to hit filters. Now the first filter we're going to add is noise suppression. We're going to set that -45. The next filter is a noise gate. Now this prevents your microphone from being turned on when you're clicking your mouse or when your cat's meowing in the background or when your next door neighbor throws a brick out the window. I don't know. This is going to vary depending on where you are, who you are, and what you use. For the time being, if you set it -38, -30, 25, 50, 50, just tweak the open and close thresholds. Open is when it turns your microphone on, how loud it has to be. Close is when it turns it off, how quiet it has to be. That simple. Next one is going to be an optional filter. I've got it on at the moment, still playing, but this one's going to act like a limiter. So we want this one to be a ratio of 10. The threshold is -6, so it's going to only activate when the volume is at -6. The attack 1, release 15, output gain 0. We don't want any output gain from this. And the last one is the main compressor. This compressor is going to take your quiet when you're whispering and you're very loud when you're shouting, and it's going to bring them together in a window of audio. That means your viewer doesn't constantly have to turn the volume up and down on their TV or their phone or whatever they're watching you on. It puts it in a nice, comfortable audio range. So that one's going to be a ratio of 3, threshold -24, attack 3, release 15, output gain of 6. Next thing we want is find your Discord channel or your TeamSpeak, whatever it is that you use, and go to the cogwheel and filters. We're going to do the same thing again. So we're going to add a -45 noise suppression. Exactly the same noise gate for me. Again, you might need to tweak that based on what you've got your Discord set up like. Compressor is a limiter. I've got that set up as 10 -12 this time. And then the compressor, again for Discord, exactly the same settings to bring the volume range into the same range. But what I've done is I've set my output gain as less because I want my microphone to be louder and you want your microphone to be louder than the Discord chat, because ultimately if you are creating YouTube content or you are live streaming, people are there to watch you and you need to be the primary focus. You want anybody else in the chat to be slightly quieter than you so that when you're talking, you are the main focus. You get what I mean? Hopefully you get what I mean. I get what I mean, I think. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this video has helped you out. I know that these settings have helped me out massively with how my stream sounds. Let me know in the comments below how you get on. If you like the video, of course, hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. If you have any questions, hit me up on Discord, Twitter, Facebook, everywhere. It's fine. And of course you can catch me live streaming on Twitch as well. That link's in the description too. That's every Monday and Tuesday and the random ones in between. You can ask me any questions in there too. So have a great day. Hope you get on well. Let me know how you get on.